Finally fixed the radio in my car. Turns out it was a blown fuse. It was. Not sure if you can really see that or not because I can't see it on my little screen. That little fuse right there was blown. I threw it somewhere. Broke, I think. Yeah, that's the broke one. So I rewired it and put it back in. And now I would have to it works. And as you can probably tell, I tore out the interior. I don't know why, I just got bored. Oh yeah, and I fixed the gear shifter. This piece right here was way down in there. That's because these little pieces right here, or hang on, those little pieces right there that catch onto the side weren't catching properly, and it just let it fall right down in there. So I pulled it up hard as I could, put some JB weld on it, hopefully quick fix. I'll take it out of gear. Worst thing good. Shift gears properly.